Check that, check that. Check that. Come back with the 2. More than 1, Bubba. Move your feet, move your feet, move your feet, move your feet. Justin, move your feet. There you go. Change the level when you move out. Right hand. Right hand. Touch your body, son. Touch the body right there, Justin. Touch, touch, touch. There, come back up. Then move out after. Move out, take the weak side. There you go. Good head movement. You waiting out here. You gotta work in that distance. Good overhand. Nah. You gotta step in if you're gonna do that, Justin. Move into him. Move your feet, son. Let your hands go. Touch. Good. Touch right there, Justin. Step over to the left. Step over to your left. Shorten it up. Jab. Fast jab. See what I'm saying? You waiting right there. You would have stopped it. Jab. Jab, son. Don't do that lead left hook. But you got to shoot it. You're slipping. Now shoot it afterwards, Justin. Good. Yeah, good. Let it go. Let him go.